Hello, in this video, I will be explaining one of the most demanded and widely used method of WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp Virtual. Wokies has brought to you an amazing platform using which you can send messages to millions of people in a day. Yes, you heard it right. Now, I will be explaining you how it works. In platforms like Virtual WhatsApp, your messages will be sent from random virtual numbers. Now, you must be wondering, what is a virtual number? A virtual number is a number that is non-operational, or you can say that does not exist. And the best part, these numbers will be owned and managed by Wokies. And if you want to know why people run their WhatsApp marketing campaigns from random virtual number, then you need to understand that WhatsApp's policy does not allow you to send spam, bulk or marketing messages to unknown senders from your WhatsApp number. And if you do that and violate WhatsApp policy, WhatsApp will ban your number and you will never be able to create a WhatsApp account on that number again. That's why people who want to run bulk WhatsApp marketing campaign use WhatsApp virtual method for the purpose of marketing, broadcasting, branding, customer acquisition, as well as lead generation. Now that you know what WhatsApp virtual is, let's dive into a live demo of how to run a campaign using Wokies' innovative platform. To begin, visit Wokies' website www.wokies.com and click on Services, then WhatsApp Virtual. Scroll down and click on Get Started. Now, choose the required credits, add to cart and proceed with the payment. Now let's understand what are credits. Credit represent the number of messages you want to send. For instance, if you want to send messages to 50,000 people, simply buy 50,000 credits. To maximize your savings, consider purchasing a large quantity of credits. Since these credits never expire, you can use them at your convenience over the years, making it a smart and cost-effective investment for your future marketing needs. Once your order is processed, you'll receive an email from Wokies with your login credentials within a couple of hours. Now log into the website using your username and password. This is what your dashboard will look like. To start a new campaign, go to Virtual Campaign and then click on Campaign. Step 1. Campaign Title. First, give your campaign a title. This can be anything you like and it won't be visible to your recipients. Let's use New Year greetings as an example. Step 2. Crafting your WhatsApp campaign. Now that you have set up your campaign title, let's move on to adding phone numbers. In this box, simply copy-paste the 10-digit phone numbers without country codes. Make sure they are Indian numbers. Type or copy-paste your text messages here. You have up to 1024 characters to convey your messages. Use these icons to add some flair, bold, italic, or change the font style. If you want your recipients to reach out to you after reading your messages, make sure to add URLs or phone numbers directly in your message. Upload media files to make your message more engaging. You can add up to 4 images of 1 MB each, 1 video and 1 PDF of 10 MB each, all in a single message. And the best part, this multimedia rich message will only count as 1 credit only. Now, if you will like, add a caption to your first image, or if you prefer, leave it blank. It's up to you. You're all set. Click the Send Now button and your campaign will be on its way. Now that you are ready to send your campaign, here are some essential guidelines to keep in mind. Campaign processing time. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours to deliver all messages, regardless of the campaign size, 1,000 or 1 lakh. Be patient and plan your campaigns accordingly. Daily campaign limit. You can run a maximum of 10 campaigns in a single day. Campaign size limits. Each campaign has a minimum limit of 100 messages and a maximum limit of 50,000 messages. Since this platform is designed for bulk messaging, you cannot send messages to fewer than 100 recipients. Processing hours and days. All campaigns are processed between 10 AM and 6 PM on working day. Plan your campaigns accordingly to ensure timely delivery. Report updates. If you don't receive campaign messages for any reason, wait for the report update, which will be available within 24 to 48 working hours after the campaign is set. Data retention. Your database will be stored in your portal for 15 days from the campaign date. Now that you have learned how to run a campaign, let's explore how to check your WhatsApp report. Accessing your report. Head back to your dashboard. Click on Virtual Campaign and click to WhatsApp report. Your report is now at your fingertips. You can even download it for further view. Now, the best part, you don't pay for undelivered messages. Let me explain. Assume you are sending messages to 1,000 people, but 100 of them doesn't receive your message. Those 100 credits will be refunded back to your credit account. And yes, that's not all. Let's dive into some amazing feature that'll streamline your campaign process. Contact groups. On your dashboard, you will find a group button. Click on it to create a contact group. This isn't a WhatsApp group, but rather a way to organize your contacts. Imagine having a set of 1,000 people you need to send messages to multiple times a week. Instead of copying and pasting their numbers every time, create a contact group. Creating a group. To create a group, click on Group. Write the group name, copy paste your contact numbers and submit. That's it. Template messages. Create template messages beforehand to save time. Click on Template, write the template name, compose your message and submit. Your template is now ready to use. Filtering contact numbers. When setting up your campaign, you will see 4 colorful boxes: total, valid, invalid and duplicate. This feature instantly filters your contact numbers, showing you total number pasted, 10-digit valid numbers, invalid numbers and duplicate numbers. Once you submit and run your campaign, messages will only be sent to valid contacts and your credits will only be deducted for those valid contacts. And that's a wrap. You have now mastered the art of using Voki's WhatsApp virtual platform to run efficient and effective marketing campaigns. So now you can proceed to buy WhatsApp virtual credits. Link is given in the description box.